Hello everyone and welcome to DelftStack. If you are remotely connected to a computer that uses a multiple monitor setup, AnyDesk allows you to easily jump back and forth between those different displays. I will show you exactly how to navigate and switch your view between screens right now. Let's get started. First, once you have successfully established a remote connection, move your mouse to the top of the AnyDesk window to reveal the main session toolbar. Look for an icon that resembles a small computer monitor. If the remote machine has multiple displays connected, this icon will usually have a number inside it indicating which specific screen you are currently viewing. Next, simply click on that monitor icon to open the Display drop-down menu. You will see a list of all the physical monitors currently active on the remote computer, typically labeled as Display 1, Display 2, and so on. Click on the specific monitor you want to see, and your AnyDesk window will immediately switch to show that screen's feed. Finally, if you need to monitor two different screens at the exact same time rather than just switching back and forth, you can simply open a second connection window. Go back to your local AnyDesk main menu, open a new tab, and connect to the exact same remote ID again. Once the second session window opens, use the Display menu to select the second monitor, allowing you to place both screens side by side on your own desktop. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.